How to make your Facebook profile private. Making a Facebook profile private helps us protect our photos, posts, and personal information. So, if we do not use and change these settings, anyone can view our profile. So, let's log it down step by step. Open up the Facebook app or the website. And once we do so, we can tap on the menu option in the top right and open it up. From here, what we need to do is access our settings, look out for the gear icon, and directly access our settings right here. Now, from here, we can go to the privacy checkup section. We can follow the steps to set our post for privacy checkup. So, scroll down and directly look out for audience and visibility section, tap on post. And there, we can just go over and select this option and limit who can see our post. So, we can tap on who can see our future post. And there, you can just go over and select the option for friends or only me, and even look out for the specific friends option. If you want to manage it up, you can just go and save it up, and that instantly secures most of our profile. Apart from that, we can lock our profile, which is a new feature. So for that, open up your profile, tap on it, and then once we tap on it, we can look out for the three dot in our profile, and once we view it up, we can just go over and turn on the option for lock our profile. So for that, we need to turn off professional mode. You can just go over and do so first. If you have turned on, continue the process. And then we should be finding option for lock profile. You can tap on it and then follow up the process to lock your profile, confirm it up, and only your friends will be able to see your past and your profile. You can do so. You will be finding your profile being locked, and nobody will be able to see all of your posts until they are friends with you or they send you a friend request, and that will only do so. And that's it. Sometimes turning on two-factor authentication should also help, and you can review the tagging and timeline settings as well. And we have made our Facebook profile private and secure. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.